Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I am at Thelin and I am here to show you guys the Sierra 8000 Tech wood stove. So this is unique because it can be just a freestanding wood stove or a hearth mount wood stove. It is going to be tax credit qualified. It sits at 77.8% efficiency and it's going to be a hybrid model. So it does have a catalyst in here, but it also does have a bypass rod as well. So if you want to bypass that and just use your standard air tube burn, you can burn it that way as well. Now what I like about the Thelin stoves is they're available in a variety of custom colors. This is the Honey Glow Brown, which is absolutely beautiful. If you're familiar with the Stove Bright paints, you can basically pick any of those colors and order this stove in that color. It's got a nice big firebox. Side to side, it's going to hold a 22-inch log, so that's great for people who have those long log lengths that are already cut. And it also has an excellent burn time of 11.5 hours on a low burn. This is going to be a top vent or a rear vent model. And here is going to be shown with the brushed nickel door. You can also order it in the gold door as well, which those gold doors can be kind of hard to find these days, so that's a unique option as well. All Thelin products are going to be manufactured in the United States, so that's a thumbs up for us. And yeah, I'm going to show you guys inside the firebox. Ooh, one other thing I want to tell you guys is this has a side loading door. You can see here, there are not many wood stoves on the market that have these side loading doors. So this is a super cool option, especially my older generations. They really like this. They're used to having this on their stoves from the 70s and the 80s. They're looking to upgrade and they want to have that. So that's really nice if you have those long log lengths and you're going side to side. Super cool option to have there. Otherwise, we're going to take you inside the firebox here. It does have a nice gasketed door. You do have a grate located on the bottom and then fire brick on the bottom and sides of the stove here. Classic spring handle. It's a beautiful brushed nickel door inside the firebox here. There is, again, a catalyst in there or the air tubes. Your bypass damper for the catalyst is going to be located right here. If you want to bypass that, your primary damper control is going to be located on the bottom of the stove here. So this is going to be the Sierra by Thelin, the model 8000 Tech. I hope that you guys enjoyed this product overview. If you find these overviews helpful, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thanks so much for watching. God bless y'all. Have a wonderful day.